This is Mommy Cherry from Tutikay Vlog. Let's learn again more Bisaya words. Let's begin. Coffee, kape, kape. Tea, cha, cha. Milk, gatas, gatas. Sugar, azúcar, azúcar. Honey, dugos, dugos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye!